This is Yo WWE YouTube World Sushi Heavyweight Champion of the world, and you can acknowledge me as the head of the sushi buffet. So welcome back to another film review today, because you guys are amazing. I got 1.11 thousand subscribers. Dude, thank you on the bottom of my heart, because you guys are doing a lot. Give me watch hours, give me money. I want that. Please, come on. And I love YouTube, because YouTube is my friend and family too. So guys, you are my part of my family now on YouTube. Make so if you are a part of the As Situation Sushi, you're doing it. I tell you guys in it as well. But afterwards, my dad got me a burrito and some chips from Welcome to Mo's. Yes, if you guys other stuff, it's coming below. So what's going on? We got him. Oh yeah, up top. Look at that. Oh yeah. If you guys have Mo's in your area, please comment below. So let's go dive into this today. So I got a burrito. Oh yeah. Sushi, yeah, this. Oh. Mmm. 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 Wow. I love Mexican. It was a very type of food type of food. Please comment below. And then we got some chips here. My favorite sushi was this. Mmm. Mmm. This is spicy, so that's why. Mmm. Mmm. That's so delicious. And that is every guys here, because you guys are amazing. You guys are amazing. Keep this up. Get more people see my YouTube channels. Get this video so that really high and my other channel, because you guys are making amazing subscribers on the channel. Make sure we need to level my other channel, because I got 67 now. I want to climb up to my second channel. Make sure you can do that too. But afterwards, that is every guys, yo. If you're a part of the As Situation Sushi, you'll be epic. And yeah, I'm editing myself on a couple of vlogs and extra vlogs. Both of my channel here for extra vlogs, and other channel for my vlogs and predictions and the reactions. And after that, we got start with a vlog again, because I love Disney, by the way. But yeah, Mr. Man also here. So that's you guys here. If you're on the part of the As Situation Sushi, you can leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Never miss a upload. And please, with second edibles and Prime, sponsor me on this YouTube channel. Subscribe to this channel, and this experiences too, please. And please share the show to family and friends. And please, music with me. And please, follow me at Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, and Twitter/X. With that, we have 10 roles for the guys here. Sushi, yeah. Sushi Hawaii. Sushi Hawaii. Susie, hi. Susie, today, Susie give me a new toy, and Susie, my boy, and Susie today.